Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 E350 4MATIC. This one is a diamond white metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, sports package with a sports exterior and interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim, sunroof, spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, power liftgate, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, keyless go back hitch with a push start ignition, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This E-Class has 113,313 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.